tours.
PPC. Yeah. All the Hollywood tours make sure to stop by RDB and show them the real landmark of LA. Alright, so we got a new project Aventador in. This is a Lamborghini Aventador Roadster Pirelli Edition. These are obviously limited edition. You'll see the Pirelli graphics all over it. Really cool with the red and the black theme. So we're gonna do something cool to keep that theme going with this special edition car. We're going to be adding a carbon fiber body kit all around the vehicle. We're going to be wrapping certain aspects of it to match the Pirelli graphics. We're gonna make it all tied together, look like it came like that from the factory, but spiced up with a wing and everything. So car's in, all the body kit components have been ordered up, and we're gonna get started on this game. In my hand I got one of the speakers. We're adding speakers to this vehicle. Aventadors do not come with good sound systems, and just changing the speakers alone, we've done them before, still sometimes not good enough. So we're adding speakers, adding an amp. We're just making this way more powerful. These are the back panels. These were all taken out, and we installed these custom Focal component speakers. So there's no speakers back here before. We're installing these currently. So behind the driver and passenger, they're gonna get more sound. It's gonna be way better. There's not much room in this car. This is behind the driver's seat. You see there's the tire pressure monitor, ECU right here. There's another computer. A lot of the electronics go back here on this vehicle, so you get to see it on our channel. You don't see Lambos on most other channels. You don't see them torn apart. Here you get to see Lambos, Bugattis taken apart, regular cars, everything. Going good. We're still playing with the adjustments and stuff, so still testing it out, but it sounds already 5 times better than stock. We have a new C63 here, coupe. It has HREs, it's lowered, it looks great. Customer brought it for a custom exhaust system. Didn't spend tons of money, and it sounds amazing. We also did a partial blackout on the front of this car. It looks amazing. We're going to start it for you guys so you can hear it. It sounds crazy. Check it out. So we're in front of the C63. We blacked out the front grille and the lower spoiler that goes in the middle of the bumper. Just wanted to give it a little bit wider look in the front, more aggressive. So whenever you do a blackout in the front, all the grills, all the openings seem enlarged and the car looks more aggressive. So this car looks great. Now that it's blacked out, the customer's gonna come get it. We're gonna wash it up, and that's it. Currently we are wrapping the rear bumper of this Aventador in satin black. I like this style. When you do the rear bumper all in satin black or matte black, kind of looks like the 50th anniversary edition. Just makes the back look much more aggressive, especially on this car since we're doing a carbon fiber diffuser, carbon fiber wing. With that satin black rear bumper, it's gonna look really good. A few episodes back on the channel, you saw us talk about an Aventador sticker on the reinforcement bar, how it explains where it's been painted and the paint code. So here's another one. It shows Imperial Painting, which is again Lamborghini's paint body shop. It shows Rosso Mars, which is the paint code on this vehicle. And then you guys will see on the other side it says Pirelli, because this is a Pirelli Edition Aventador. So really cool. On the reinforcement bar it shows the paint color, what edition it is, the body shop or paint shop that painted it. I think I'm getting some ideas from this. We might be making our own kind of thing for customer cars, so if they do sell it, they know the car had some work done by a reputable shop like RDB.
wrap, beautiful, car's done, customer's very happy. Beautiful car, done, ready to go.
So we're putting the front bumper back on this Aventador Pirelli Edition. We got the front laser shifters on there, the Escort system. It's the newest and greatest radar laser shifter system. There's a lot to the installation for this. We took the bumper off, hid the sensors all inside. It's very, very stealth. You can't tell it's there. We're going to be proceeding onto the back, all the wiring inside, get all the radar system done. Alright, so we got this Aventador computer out of the car now. This is the engine computer. We're going to be tuning it to 820 horsepower. So these cars make a lot more power with the ECU tune. Even though it's naturally aspirated, it's not turbo or supercharged. It's a big V12 and you can unlock a lot of power with this thing.
So we have a Chrysler here. It did come in this morning for inspection for noise and vibration. So we did do the inspection and come to find out that this car has 3 motor mounts and 1 transmission mount. They are broken, as you guys can see. This is not supposed to be this way. It's got to be one piece, and they're all the same. So this customer took it too far with this problem. We have an older Lexus here. This is one of our clients that have been coming here for 5 to 6 years now. Car's in here for a coolant leak. We're gonna go ahead and check it. We haven't inspected it yet, but we're going to do it and see what's going on with it.
Where you from, dude? Bakersfield, man. All the way up north, 2-hour drive.
Yeah.
It is.
What do you think of the car?
Sick car, man.
Yeah.
Never seen one. It's good shit. But seems busy here. So stop by real quick.
Cool, man. Have a good one, dude.
Hey, thank you, brother.
Right now installing the rear bumper back on to the Aventador. We have the carbon fiber rear diffuser on. We wrapped the rear bumper in satin black. We just finished up putting the SV vents on top. So these first came out on the SVs, and now all the newer Aventadors, the S's, come with this. So if you have a Aventador, regular one, an older one, you should get these vents. Way too much work going on in the background right now because it's a real shop here. This is the wheel tires for Pirelli Edition Aventador. They originally come with red stripes and the Pirelli logo. However, those are painted on from factory and they wear off really quick. So we're doing right now the tire stickers so they stay on much longer. So Friday, we're winding down the day. It's been a long day. We got a lot of cars done today. We got at least 5-6 oil changes, a few tire repairs. I know we changed the rack and pinion on a Toyota. We did a Maserati service. 3 or 4 body shop cars were completed. Craziness. We do it all under this roof, and we have another location down the street. However, this is the main hub. We get a lot of work done every day here. That's why you see it almost like a mess all the time. We clean at the end of the day, but throughout the workday getting all this stuff done, it's a shop. It gets dirty. That's what I say. Whenever there is a shop that looks crystal clean, that means they're not getting enough work done. You gotta think about that. But I'm very proud of my guys. We killed it this week. We have a lot more craziness coming for you guys. Yeah, so keep watching. This is what we do. Alright, joyride. Sure everything's driving well.
Red light camera ahead.
So you guys just heard the escort system tell us that there's a red light camera ahead.
Red light camera.
So we installed the new escort system with the laser shifters. Stealth install, looks amazing. It's got GPS. So it lets you know there's speed traps, red light cameras, all that kind of stuff around. So there you have it. It's reading K-band. You can shut that off. See this light going crazy right there? It's letting us know. But also with the volume, we can play with the volume, raise it up and down. It's got the display over here. So the customer wanted that full system in here. So with Lamborghinis, Aventadors especially, when you remove bumpers, when you remove door panels, the winglets on the top, any of that stuff, you're gonna get errors on the computer. So sometimes driving it might reset some of it, most likely not. So we have to reset with the computer, which we do in-house. We'll make sure there's no lights on the dash. Even if there's no lights on the dash, the computer might hard store some codes for the wing, for stuff like that. So if the customer has to go to the dealership, they could read those codes and see. So we make sure all those codes are gone when the customer gets the car. This is where the roof goes in an Aventador. It's pretty annoying. You gotta definitely do it a bunch of times to figure it out. It's got numbers, but it's still a pain in the ass. But it's designed so, you know, when you're driving it doesn't fly around and hit each other and break. Boom. You have to hear those clicking sounds, but that's it. Alright, so the Aventador Pirelli Edition is done. We're gonna go over the car, show you guys in detail what we did. We did a lot of different things to this one, just to kind of, you know, go different for the customer. He really wanted to do a few different things on it. So let's show you guys. First thing first really is, this is a Pirelli Edition Aventador, so it's got its red and black theme. It has a lot of red striping all over the vehicle with satin black. So we wanted to introduce that with the kit we were installing. We put a full carbon fiber kit on this car, side skirts, front lip spoiler, rear diffuser, and the wing. On all of the components we did, we added a red pinstriping to match the Pirelli theme, made it really tied together. Came out really nice. The red and black has always been one of my favorites. My M3 back in the day was Imola red with carbon fiber and black, just like this Aventador. We also installed the SV style vents, which you see here. These have vents here for cooling, just like the SV and the new S's. We got the whole back carbon fiber pretty much, except for the rear bumper, but the diffuser is carbon fiber. The wing with the wing base is full carbon fiber. We wrapped the rear bumper in satin black just to give it that more aggressive look. So the back end looks super aggressive right now. We did a lot of red pinstriping on the diffuser just to show off that diffuser and how it has all those louvers. So it looks really nice. On the bottom, you'll see the side skirt in carbon fiber with the red stripe. Let's go over to the front. Show you the front lip we installed also with a red pinstriping. Made it look way more aggressive. The front of this car needs a little bit more aggressiveness as always. So next stuff we did is actually the interior. We upgraded the sound system. We added speakers to the back. So behind the seats you'll see new Focal component speakers. This customer wanted more lighting in the Aventador. It doesn't have much lighting either, so we installed some LED lighting underneath the footwells and around the back of the seats a little bit as well. You could change the colors, have some fun with it. Why not? All in all, this car came out really good. I hope the customer enjoys it. On to the next one.